Hello everyone, I hope you're all doing good today. Today, I wanted to give you some small notes on graphic organizers based on what you have done. You all have learned what a graphic organizer is. You have started to create graphic organizers out of articles that you have found. And now I have read or I have seen the graphic organizers that you have made. I know that some of you made modifications of graphic organizers that you have found outside. That's very good. That's how we learn. However, there is one key that you all need to have when we talk about graphic organizers. There are several elements of graphic organizers that will stay the same no matter what type of graphic organizer you are creating. So, dalam bahasa Indonesia, saya jelaskan lagi bahwa ada berbagai macam graphic organizers, tapi ada beberapa elemen yang tetap sama apapun jenis graphic organizer-nya. Kenapa elemen-elemen ini sama? Because they are helpful in understanding the graphic organizers. Secara intuitif, elemen-elemen ini memberikan makna tentang hubungan antar gagasan dalam graphic organizers. Apa elemen-elemen yang mirip itu? Now let me show you by sharing the screen as usual, okay? Jadi intinya ada beberapa jenis elemen yang selalu ada dalam graphic organizer apapun bentuknya. Apa saja elemen itu? Pertama, kalau kita bicara tentang cause and effect, when we talk about a cause and effect graphic organizer, you will always find this arrow element in it. It shows that one thing leads to another. That's an arrow, right? An arrow is supposed to lead you from one point to another. That's what you do. If you want to use a cause and effect graphic organizer, that's what you will do. First, the green one or the lime green is the cause, and the pen one is the effect. If you want to start with effect and then to the cause, then you can only flip it. Tapi panahnya tetap mengarah ke akibat dari sebabnya. So an arrow is a must in a cause and effect graphic organizer. Nah, kalau di dalam exemplification itu kan tujuannya memberikan contoh atau jenis-jenisnya. Dan memberikan contoh atau jenis-jenis itu biasanya dari satu menuju banyak atau dari banyak menuju satu. Tapi yang menjadi inti adalah tidak ada hubungan sebab akibat antara one main point to the others. So what you have instead is a line connecting from one point to another, and the line doesn't need to be an arrow. So branches, the branch, percabangan, that's the key for exemplification. Next, you have a process. A process usually include one point to another, and to another. There are several points there. And from one point to another, there is a line, there is an arrow. Because an arrow is usually leading from one thing to another. Jadi ini, selalu ada panah yang mengarah dari titik satu ke titik lainnya. Tapi berbeda dengan cause and effect, kalau cause and effect itu biasanya ada beberapa cause menuju satu effect atau satu cause menuju beberapa effect. Di sini ada beberapa poin yang semuanya saling berurutan. So from one to the next, to the next, to the next. Nah ini cirinya kalau proses. Then if you have a contrast graphic organizer, then there needs to be a dividing line, something that divides one thing from another. That's a contrast graphic organizer. Next, similarity, there is an intersection. Nah, kalau kita bicara tentang kemiripan, selalu ada irisan, intersection between one point and another. Ini area yang mirip ini, yang ada di tengah. And finally, for elements, misalnya untuk argumentation, kita tinggal menyusun beberapa elemen yang warnanya berbeda-beda. Elemen satu adalah mungkin main argumennya. Elemen dua adalah pendukungnya atau bukti-buktinya. Elemen tiga penjelasannya. Elemen empat entah itu conclusionnya atau mungkin refutation, contoh yang lain. So these are the common elements of graphic organizers. Kalau saya review kembali, pertama, cause and effect ada panah. Untuk exemplification ada percabangan, without an arrow. Process, there are several steps, and there is an arrow between one step to another. And in contrast, there is a dividing line usually, or something that shows differences. And in similarities, there is an intersection or irisan. And in elements, there are several elements that are different from each other. And these are the keys to a graphic organizer. Bentuknya boleh bermacam-macam, tapi elemen-elemen ini usahakan selalu tetap ada dalam graphic organizer sesuai dengan jenis tulisannya. I guess that's all, everyone. Thank you very much. I hope this helps you in understanding a graphic organizer and later on to create a good summary. All right. Thanks, everyone. Bye.